Want to delete your Instagram search suggestions? Here are two quick ways to clear them. Let's start with the first method. Open the Instagram app. Tap the search icon at the bottom. If you see your recent searches listed there, you can remove them one by one. Just tap the X next to each search. That removes it instantly. Now let's look at the second method. This clears everything at once. Go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Select your activity. Scroll down and tap Recent Searches. Here you'll see your full search history. To delete everything, tap Clear All. Confirm the action. And that's it. Your Instagram search suggestions are now cleared. If suggestions still appear, it may take a little time for Instagram to refresh. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips.